I hope you're all doing good. We have a very good exercise here, just a verification, trigonometric identity verification. I am Mr. Ish. We have to prove the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Arctan x plus arctan 1 over x is equal to pi over 2. How would you go about doing that? If I were you, I would take arctan x and equal it to everything else. Push the other item to the other side. We have pi over 2 minus arctan 1 over x. We can start with that. Individually, y is equal to arctan x. This is equal to y, that is equal to y is equal to pi over 2 minus arctan 1 over x. I've made this equal to y, I've made that equal to y individually. Look right here at this equation, y minus pi over 2, I'm looking right over here, is equal to minus arctan 1 over x. Take the minus on the other side and these things will flip. Pi over 2 minus y is equal to arctan 1 over x. Solve for 1 over x. If you have arctan on one side, you take it on the other side, it becomes tan. Tan pi over 2 minus y is equal to 1 over x. Arctan going on the other side of the equal sign brings the inverse, which is tan. Tan pi over 2 minus y is equal to 1 over x. Look right over here. Y is equal to arctan x. Now I'm focusing right here. Solve for x. X is equal to tan y. Think about it. I took this arctan on the other side. X is equal to tan y. You see right here 1 over x. I'm substituting here 1 over tan y. What's 1 over tan y? The reciprocal. It's cotan y. This is now equal to that and we have to prove it to be the case. Bring this up into its basic functions. You have sine pi over 2 minus y divided by cosine pi over 2 minus y should be equal to cotan y, and it will be the case. Use the difference identity, sine and cosine. You'll have sine pi over 2 cosine y minus sine y cosine pi over 2 divided by the difference identity for cosine. You have cosine pi over 2 cosine y plus sine pi over sine y. You have to remember these difference identities. Anyhow, cosine pi over 2 is always 0, this goes out. Cosine pi over 2 is 0, this goes out. The only thing which remains is sine pi over 2 cosine y. In the top, there will be just cosine y because sine pi over 2 is a 1. In the denominator, you have sine pi over 2 times sine y. Sine pi over 2 is always equal to 1, you have sine y. Cosine y divided by sine y is indeed equal to cotan y, and we're good. And the verification procedure is indeed complete. You can see how everything played out. We took this on the other side. We have arctan x is equal to pi over 2 minus arctan 1 over x. Individually, these are equal to y. We separated them up and then we worked on them individually, and we took down the verification such that we came left hand side or right hand side was equal to the other side. Cosine y over sine y was equal to cotan y. They're equal, therefore the verification is completed. Thank you for watching.